Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove old printers in Windows 11 or 10. If an old printer is still showing on your computer, even after uninstalling it, this method will help you remove the printer entry and delete its old driver package completely. First, click on the Start menu and type Print Management. When Print Management appears, click on it to open. On the left side, select All Printers. In the right pane, look for the old printer you want to remove. Right-click on that printer and choose Delete. Click on Yes. After that, go back to the left side and select All Drivers. Now find the driver related to that old printer. Right-click on the old printer driver and choose Remove Driver Package. If you see the Delete option instead, click Delete. This will help completely remove old printers and their drivers from Windows 11 or Windows 10. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.